I'm doing a bike check, bike review on my bike, and I'm showing you my shit and everything like that. I have starting from the front to the back, I have the ODI Ruffian walk-on grips. I like them. Sorry. I like them when you first get them, but other than that, like after a few weeks, I've had them for like maybe a month, and my right side's bald, my left side's starting to get bald, but I grip harder with my right, I guess. I got the Haro Zebra bars. They're bars. I mean, I like the width and height of them, but I mean, they're really strong out. I don't think I'll bend these anytime soon. I got the Fit down low drop stem. Love the stem. One of my favorite stems. Just looks and the way it rides. I like how long it is. I like everything about it. I like the hold on the sides and stuff. I have the Shadow Corvus headset. I love it. It spins so fast. And so smooth. You know what I'm talking about. Like, I don't even know how many times that's spun. That's spun like 10 times. I have the primo strand sticker. I mean, not sticker. My sticker fell off. I have primo strand forks. Odyssey Aitkan P-Light tire. About the forks, I love these forks. Best forks. They're so strong. I like how small the dropouts are. I like how thin they are. They don't look like they're that strong, but they're really, really, really strong. I love the front tire. Like, definitely get these forks and tire. I think, yeah, if you're ever gonna get tires, get this tire. So grippy. You never really slide out with it unless like you overinflate it. But it's, where's it at? 100 psi, I think. That's what it says. Can't really tell. I have the nitrous double shot rim and hub. That's just what came on the Eastern, but I like the way it spins really good. Still, I've had it for a year. That was just a flick, and it's still spinning. I have a skull valve cap. I don't know where I got it. Got the haro SD frame. Loving the frame. I love the frame. It's so good. So solid. Hands down the best frame I've ever rode. If you're gonna get a new frame and you're not going for the short gay shit, get this frame. It's got a 8.6 seat tube height, so I really like that. It's pretty tall. Got the 20.8 top tube. It's perfect for me. I mean, you could go, there's 21 and 21.25. I mean, I like the 20.8 because it's a little easier to get tail ups around. Got the haro seat. It just came with the frame. I really like it. It's great. You don't have to buy a new seat if you're getting this frame. It comes with the frame. And it's super comfortable. I I almost have bar strings with it already, and I've only had the frame for a little bit, and I went from a frame that's like this tall, like that's the C2 bike, and it's super gay. You can check out my other bike chair, so you can see. I got the Fit Stump seat post. I got the Shadow Corvus bottom bracket, Eastern shaft cranks. Oh, about the whatever this is. What's it called? Bottom bracket. I love it. I mean, it's a little, like, it spins really good for this because it's brand new. But the only thing, when you take your feet off the pedals, it kind of slides really easy. I don't know if that's just because it's brand new. I'm thinking it's just because it's brand new. The cranks, I almost snapped them yesterday doing a 3 to fakie on a quarter. It landed pretty hard, and it sounded real bad, and I don't know. Piece of shit pedals. There's Eastern, whatever they're called. They're on Dan's comp. They came stock on my bike, and I have other pedals like that. Hamilton's over there. They're a piece of shits too, the metals. I've had so many pedals. I haven't found pedals that I like. I don't know, could you suggest some pedals to get? Because I have no idea what pedals I should get. Because I ran a bunch of pedals and they all suck ass. I got the Fit Down Low sprocket. It's a sprocket, I don't know what I can say about it, it's just a sprocket. KMC chain. I have a mechanic chain, I just have to get it put on. Because my chain breaker broke. I bought this piece of shit chain breaker on Dan's comp for like a couple bucks. Don't buy it, it's not worth the money because I think it messed up my chain a little bit. So, kind of fucking sucks real bad. So don't get it. I don't know what it's called. It's called like the something chain breaker, but it looks like that. Sucks ass. It's a piece of shit. I got the Odyssey Path P light. I love the tire. It's super smooth. Nitrous double wall back rim. Sucks dick. I bend it, it's pretty bad. Like wobbles back and forth like that. And well, that's because I bend it, but the hub sucks, it's so slow. But I'm getting the Primo mix cassette hub, placed to a Cinema 777 room. I think that's it. Everything besides this, my pedals and cranks, I couldn't ask for my bike to be any better. Subscribe, like, I don't care, whatever it is. Love the frame, definitely get it if you're getting a new frame. Get the forks if you're getting new forks too. The setup's great. Here's my helmet. AAA Brain Saver helmet. Love the helmet. It's so light, and that's all my review and stuff. Actually, I'm going to be doing a review on the Fox Titan Race Pros. A lot of blood on them, all over them. That was yesterday. I let someone use my shin guards for a little bit. Then fucked up my shin. Right here, up to here. So definitely, if you fuck up your shin a lot, get these shin guards. They save them a lot. Yeah, I didn't have these on when I did that, but I think that's it. And that's my bike check. Subscribe, rate good, favorite it, like it, tell your friends about it. I don't really care. The bike looks sick. That's it. Send me your bike checks or whatever. And leave comments or whatever, because I might get the McNeil conjoined cranks. I don't know if those are any good or not, but if you could tell me, that'd be great.